Hey guys, let's start. These are the colors I have chosen for today's painting. Cotton swab should be firm. The cotton should not be with loose cotton. It should be firm. And I'm using masking tape, half-inch masking tape. Fix it with the help of the cutter. I'm sealing all the ends, corners to make a border. Today's painting is a lotus flower. Then so the background is full of green and blue. The predominant colors today is green and blue, so I use different blue, different so many different green, because most of this area is going to be with the leaves. To show the fur of flower, the bird, the leaves, I'm using the green and the pink colors. So different green, fluorescent green, leaf green, dark green, sap green, light green, yellow green, all different kinds of green. And I need this nice, effective, attractive blue and emerald green to create a kind of aqua effect. I'm using the swab to smudge these colors, and it's done. And I have one big lotus flower at the center. I use white, pink and fluorescent pink to create these leaves, the petals. The petals at the bottom of this flower are in cup shape, and it's so beautiful. The work is here to differentiate the one petal from the other. So even I have used a gray, gray pink, gray rose, light pink and fluorescent pink, even little white to show the major light areas. Just this is from the reference, but I have, as usual, I have changed a little bit. If you like my work, please subscribe. Now let's move on to the major portion of this painting with the green color. So just we'll draw the stems of these birds and flowers. This flower is little half blossomed. This entire area is going to be filled with these leaves. So we keep few leaves above in light colors where they get the light. The leaves at the bottom, underneath the upper leaves, will be in dark shades because of shadows. So we create dark leaves at the bottom and the light leaves above. We make different soft and tender leaves, and the big leaves and the small leaves. So using this same color is a major task actually. Using different colors for a pic is easy. See, the lotus is in same color. There is no much variation of colors. So the biggest task is to show the petals, the separation of these petals using the similar color shades. In the same way, the leaves are in green color, but we have to show the differences between the leaves. So using different shades of leaves, colors, green color, and it's a task to show or make a difference between the leaves and to bring out the shapes of the leaves, using the color, keeping the dark and light areas in the mind, and bringing out the shape of the leaf and the soft reflection on the leaf. And usually there will be a kind of gray touch over the leaf, a kind of little coat. When the light falls on it, we feel like a gray coat on the leaf. So that is also important to bring it out. I tried it on a leaf so that to show the veins and the way the leaves have been folded here. But it's real fun. I love colors, so using bright colors like this is really awesome. Very beautiful blue and beautiful green go very well together. So it creates the effect of water and the overlapping of different leaves with different shades of green. And I'm going to make a little bouquet background using white and gray rose, because those two colors suits here. It's resembles like a bouquet background, as well as the sprinkle of water drops. So you can imagine as you feel like. So I'm trying to make all the small edges which is popping out from here and there, in between the gaps of the leaves. So very one or two leaves are little visible, remaining or a, a portion of a leaf is hidden, some portion of the leaf is visible. That's what I try to bring it out here. I'm using white to highlight the edges of the leaf, so that even it defines the shapes of it, it defines the edges of it. It shows, it brings a good effect to the shape of the leaf. And even I'm using the black color to bring out the dark depth in between, and even the edges. So that black and white both I have used to show the edges of the leaf. It depends on the colors. At the bottom it's dark, so I have used white. As I go up little, see it's bright in color. The leaves are little bright, shows the reflection of the light. So you can use white there. I need some water drops on these leaves. Later I'm going to do that before I complete this. So just I'm doing the covering up all the areas, trying to bring out the so many mass of leaf here. And we can see the small bird, half blossomed flower, fully blossomed flower, little flower at the effect of flower at the distant. I'm trying it out. Let us see how this painting is going to look when I complete this. Even I have no idea, just I'm going on working on it. I'm using pencil to highlight the edges, the lines, the markings, even the petals. So that little touch I would like to give to bring out the sharpness of the petals. So it gives little highlight. I hope you enjoy all my videos and you like to watch all my videos. If you really love all my work, don't forget to subscribe, and you will get the, whenever I post the video, you can watch my videos, my paintings. I'm using little, marker pen to show the water drops using the white. Even I can use this acrylic white paint to show the water drops on these leaves. I hope you enjoy this video. So this is a background with mass of leaf and lotus, the effects of water with nice radiant colors, and the drops on the stems. So I would like to add on more and more to make more beautiful, and I'm using watercolor color pencil, green color pencil, to show the water drops on the leaf. Even I needed on these light areas the leaf. I'm almost done. If you like my videos, please give a thumbs up. That's all. It's finally done. I'll meet you on another beautiful video like this. And thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me so far. And please do enjoy all these videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll meet you on another video. Take care. Bye bye.